Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm host Martin, and this episode 491. What do we call it today? Something about Bitcoin. Oh, sorry, I remember I wrote. Yeah, crypto moving. That's the title for today. Anyone put Bitcoin? Because I think we're getting blacklisted for using the crypto names. Hopefully, crypto will go through. But crypto moving. This is episode 491. Technical analysis for crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're willing to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're going to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on Discord. Link will be pinned on the chat in a second. Link will also be to our Twitter. It's in the description, so if you want to engage with me there, you can also do so, right? Let me get that invitation here from... I knew I was missing something before I started. This is that little bit, man. That little bit, right? To invite people over. He say, hello, come back here. Join us on the Discord. We're one merry, happy family. Oh, snap. I don't want to do that. Here we go. Let's do this. Let's paste that. And that. Let's go with that. It's pinned. Let's go check it out. Todd says, hey, good Sunday evening. Good Sunday evening, Todd. Bring facts. Says, cheers. Ellen, thank you for being here, man. Jeffrey, welcome back. Happy Sunday. Yo, thanks, man. Happy Sunday, man. Good evening, Bitcoin Mob. Doesn't matter. Here we go. Let's see. Rested, relaxed, Martin. Yes, I am rested.
What's up?
Yeah. So it was good to take a day off, I can say. I rarely take days off for anything. Like, I don't take days off from my work. I don't take days off from this. I have like 30 plus vacation days that I need to take at the office. It's insane, dude. I almost never take days off. It's good every now and then, but yeah. Karthigo, what's up? Soka, Dalel, Brett. I am the Elon Musk of Lurking. Thanks for being here. Day Trader. Ooh, that's a weird name. Thank you, man. I appreciate that comment. Dan C, what's up? And then Karthigo, M.A. Poor Seamus, what's luck in the case? No, he get to have fun. I brought him a female leprechaun and he had fun, and then, still wasted, so he probably doesn't even know what happened. Holocaust on Profits. Yo. Kai Freak, what's up? Kai, sure, man. Put in the list. Liking the Deadpool shirt. Yo, thanks, man. I appreciate it. It is a pretty tight shirt. I like it. I think I can go here and you might be able to see it still a little bit better. It is pretty tight, man. It is a good Deadpool shirt. It's nice. I like this shirt. Seamus starter pack. Awesome, dude. I'll check that coming in a second, man. There we go. So it comes through now.
Seamus starter pack. You look a lot better, brother. Maybe Sundays are your no stream day. Oh, Jojo, 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 Jojo.
Yo, thank you very much for that, dude. There we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Doesn't matter. It was a Saturday that I took it off, right? I did take a day off. Today's Sunday, so I'm still streaming on Sunday. We'll need a me day. Yeah, I mean, I've been doing this, I think, for over 90 days. Probably even more than that without a break. So, yeah, it's okay. Saturday. Yo. Yeah, the camera is very nice. I know. Some people say I have an over... Like, the camera is a lot more than what I need it for, but I do plan to use it for other stuff. So, like, I think it's one of those things that if you can invest in equipment, it's better than you invest in the right equipment. Even if it's a little bit more costly up front than to buy something you're going to need to upgrade and then you're double spending, right? So, for me, the camera is one of those key things that I said, look, I have kids. I want to take pictures of them. I want to do some other kind of static videos later on, and having a nice camera is going to help me out in the future, right? So the camera was for sure an upgrade that I wanted to do with the best thing, right? Can you do bat? Sure. What's happening, homie? What's up, Brand? Thanks for being here, man. There it is. Buy one, cry once. Yeah, I agree, man. Because the other thing was like, what was I going to upgrade to? Another EL, maybe a Canon camera, yes, but it was going to be a crop frame, not 4K. So even if it was 4K, it was going to still be cropped because this is a full frame. I was going to get a crop sensor if I was going for something a little bit, smaller. So I said, okay, I'm going to buy a nice camera now. Get that out of the way. Mic, this is still a freaking good mic for streaming. Some people said I should get an XLR mic. I will get an XLR mic later on. This one I like for podcasting and stuff like that. This is a good mic. Plus, I can take it with me when I travel without having to take the whole XLR package. So it was like a step up for when I travel and have to do traveling streams. And before I actually get an XLR mic for my static, for whenever I'm home here, right? Anyways. Yo, what's up, Christopher? Someone said ICX? Sure, man. There we go. Well, with that note, let's move on to crypto, market cap, and figure out what is happening, man. Camera is much better. Yeah, it's the same camera, man. It is the same camera. I'm not sure why. But yeah, I mean, better than the last one, yeah. Let's roll, man. I can see myself here. It looks a little bit laggy. Maybe I'm not getting full quality on my computer. But that's good. Let's roll. What was I going to do here? I'll update the list real quick before I actually start, right? So I was up to Mana. And someone said Kai. Then it was Bat. And ICX, right? I'll see, man. Maybe I can take a day off a month or something like that. VT, sure, man. Why not? Let's put in the list while we're adding stuff. Thank you, Robert. Yeah. Let's move. Let's start getting this. Oh, kick something. I think I hit the get wrecked. I didn't want to do that. I want to go to main screen. There we go. Let's jump here, man. Let's start looking at crypto. What is happening on the daily, man? What did crypto do, man? The autofocus. Yeah, I could turn that off. Usually we get problems with the autofocus when I'm like swinging back and forth a lot. So if I just stay steady like this and don't move, the autofocus will not be an issue. So I'm gonna do that. Thanks for letting me know, dude, that the autofocus was messing things up, right? Kyle Roberto. Sure, man, it's on the list already, so we'll get to it when we get to it, right? It is on the list. You wish you could grow a beard? Awesome, dude. Thanks. Yeah. No, I could make jokes about that, but no jokes today. So let's get started. Anyways, a lot of hype. What would we have here? We had the hidden bullish. We're pumping on that. High to low, possible spots are high to low. We're just still recovering. It's fine. Not doing anything crazy in market cap. We did get above that 236 yesterday, which was fine. Did manage to pump 4.05%, which again, it's okay. Today coming down a little bit. 0.72%. Sitting neutral at 59.15, so it's pretty good, man. Rex, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. On that note, again, not a lot happened in market cap. How do we close a weekly in market cap? It's going to look messy, but, you know, it was a green week. It was an okay week, right? We got pulled back and then recovered more than halfway. So we could consider this to be probably a bullish piercing candle, which, again, could be showing part of that indecision that we're seeing in the market. Starting to go down again, like we said, for this week that we just opened. So, again, Monday, right? Already opened here on the market. It's looking a little bit red right now. We'll see what we have. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance at 61.03. We managed to gain a little bit of dominance, 0.16% yesterday. Today, going down very little, 0.12%. Sitting at 61.03. Bitcoin futures, what's up? Oh, Brand, that sucks, bro. Well, thank you for being here, man. I really appreciate it. And walk out horn for you, bro. I know you like that, so. There it is. What happened? What do we do, man? Why are we going down right now? All right, possibilities. Friday, we closed at 49,555. We're opening at 50,580. Chances that we might want to come down to close a gap. And the good thing about coming down and close this gap is that we have that 20 immediately there as support. So it could come down, wick that 49,555 and then pump back up, right? So possible move, right? We're at 1.5 trillion cap again. Yeah, we're at 1.54 again, and Bitcoin's still below $1 trillion, $940 billion. Still pretty good though, right? Let's go check out actual Bitcoin. 50,335, man. On the daily, the hidden divergence for potential action upside. That's what we're getting. Now we're still rejecting and failing to stay above 51,250. Remember when we were back here and said we want to be above 51,250 is going to be key for Bitcoin? We're still rejecting that zone. Right now coming down, hitting that 20 at $50,250, right? We've been calling for this area, right? Getting above that area is going to be good. That's a good key area for Bitcoin to be above if you want to see more recovery happening. On that note, we're still neutral, 56.49, so not a lot. Let's go on the weekly real quick. Sorry, before I go on the weekly, I'm going to go here. I got to find a chart that doesn't have a lot of stuff in it. So we can do the weekly analysis. Where are we bouncing to, right? Low to high, we're bouncing, trying to get back above that 50% line, rejecting yesterday, rejecting today again, but on our way to go back to that 618, which would be fine again. Not too crazy here. I want to see if I can have a clean weekly here, or more or less clean weekly, which we do. Again, a green candle, more than halfway. Not piercing as much as I would like it to be, but again, not looking too bad still, and it could be part of that indecision, right? We got moving down, could be getting a reaction rally, and right now moving down slightly. It's fine, not too crazy here for Bitcoin, so let's go on the daily again. Again, here we're fine. Let's go and see what else are we doing with Bitcoin, man. Let's go to the 4 hour then. All right, if you remember, the Punisher came in here and said, yo, Deadpool, head and shoulders. And Deadpool said, sure, Punisher, why not? So we're looking at this head and shoulders the Punisher said, right? Which is this one here, and this one here. Which is obviously not playing out, right? It is not playing out. So, what are we getting to play out here? Again, still indecision, still going up, but something that I was looking at is a potential double bottom that Bitcoin made. So I want to get rid of this head and shoulders. So it's not playing. It's going much higher. That is fine. This one got wrecked. It didn't happen, right? So that head and shoulders from Punisher, gone. Get out of here. Here, what do we do, man? Right? We created the bottom with medium bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. So what I'm going to do right now is going to change everything back to yellow. We should be on track with what we've been doing live. Again, today I did look at the charts earlier on today. I didn't look at the charts yesterday much. Just something real quick for DVT because it launched on Binance Smart Chain. I only want to see what was happening, but the rest of the market I was not looking at, and I was really trying to get rest from looking at the charts. Also, I wasn't also on the phone most of the time, and I was just coming in here today just to look at some stuff real quick, and I was still took advantage of Sunday, and I was off for a bit. I did post something earlier on, but that was it. Hey, I wasn't at my computer. I wasn't looking at charts. I was really trying to take Sunday off as well for the larger part of it, right? Thank you, man. First vendor. Appreciate it. Elon Musk. We'll see, right? Just give me a second, man. Right on. So what we're looking at here is the double bottom, right? Pumping up again, midline support, came back down, dude. Hit that area, 49,691, almost spot on. What did it hit? Lowest point, 49,774. So again, kind of close. And we're pumping that, right? So we broke the confirmation line, a potential target, which right now seems really high, but we're looking at around 33% moving to the upside on a double bottom. If the double bottom plays to move, now we do know that there's possibilities of it not playing out. I'm not going to open the book right now to look at what the percentage of it not playing out is. If you're in Discord, I might post it afterwards, but join the Discord. And again, double bottom confirmation line broken. We're going up. We're still bullish, and that would get us at least to a 31% retrace. 33% retrace, I think, is the most common that we will see. And again, if we go here again, 33%, that's more or less where I marked it. Now put Bitcoin around $65,000, right? 65,690 more or less. So again, not looking too bad for Bitcoin. If we get the move, we know Bitcoin hasn't played. For example, here we had a double bottom. It didn't play, obviously. Create a head and shoulders, not playing yet. A complex head and shoulders, that's not playing yet. And we know we have that complex head and shoulder. We've talked about it before. Have it here, look, complex head and shoulders, neckline not being broken yet. So again, Bitcoin does have a lot of stuff going on for it that is bullish. It's just not playing off at all yet. On the short term, we do have another head and shoulders that formed here, like shoulder, head, and then shoulder, somewhere around here. You'll see in a second, I'll point it out. I did draw it again today, I think, also earlier. And that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Had a low, positive, high to low, neutral at 57.51. So again, not really bad on Bitcoin, right? Nothing bearish, still run, great medium bullish, looking good. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, my charts are getting messy. Oh, this was the confirmation break line of the Punisher's head and shoulder, right? So we said, no way, man. Not today. What do we say to the bearish divergence? Not today, man. All right, that's a move, not today. This old bottom should be on the 4 hour only. I don't want it here because it makes no sense here. And I know I measured the 4 hour double bottom looks good. So we're gonna go with that. John, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Much appreciated, buddy. I feel refreshed, like I'm a new man. Thank you guys for the rest. What do we do here, man? All right, so Bitcoin short term. There is bearish divergence. We're below the 20 moving average. We did create some strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. Could be that we're taking a breather, right, before we continue on a move higher still. So let's get this here. Make it the color of yellow. And 1 second. Wow. That was quick. It's probably from the dust. I think I like dismantled a fan today. I disassembled a fan. Like one of those tower fans that like, spin vertical. And it was like, we had it. It was just sitting there for like years, man. I like had to take so much dust out of it. Like I didn't even know if I was gonna be able to put it back together after I disassembled it. I was glad to know that I could, and it works. So it saved me the pain of going and buying a new fan. I did buy a new fan for the kids' room, but I wanted to get this one fixed here for the office. Nothing bullish right now, right? I just have this bearishness, and I would be looking at a trend line, maybe like this right now for Bitcoin. Why like this? Because here we're creating this divergence here, right? On this peak. That's why I'm not considering it to be going from here. We could, if you wanted to consider it going from here all the way up here like this, and it will just be breaking it right now. But for some reason, I feel the move it's a little bit higher on this one, right? I believe the move is from here. That's the read I'm getting right now. So if you're looking at something like this for support, it kind of makes sense that we're rejecting it. So that's fine. We could be going on bullish still. Right, so we're gonna leave this here as a support, and we'll see if we can break it or not, right? What's the temp? I'm not sure. Outside it's probably nice. Just this room gets really hot. It gets the sun hitting it all day. So, and I usually don't have the window open because it faces the street and there's a lot of noise. So, let's see. It cooled off yesterday because it started to rain. And then today it was also cloudy. I'll tell you in a second. 67 Fahrenheit. So it's not super hot. But that's temperature right now. It was around 81. 81, and then the lows are going to be about 47. Yep. So I hope it starts cooling off a little bit because it was starting to get a little bit like I was sweating bullets last night. That's how bad it was. Anyways, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. Right. Anyways, support, right? That's what we're looking for. Kind of support. So I know I have a head and shoulders drawn somewhere here for this shorter time scale. I drew it somewhere, man. Could it have been here? Nope. Jesus, man. Where did I put that head and shoulders? I had a short-term head and shoulders here drawn. So maybe I didn't save it. Could be. Could be that I didn't save it. Maybe I didn't. Anyways, there's smaller head and shoulders being built here. Right? Like, where was it? In the 4 hours easily visible. It's this one, right? And then the head, and then the shoulder here, right? Look at this low. Look at this line. I'm gonna make it a line real quick so you guys can see how far off we are, but Alt H. Right, look at this line that I just drew, and look at how close it is to this shoulder. So it's almost a perfect shoulder. I don't like how deep the neckline is, though. Right, it's very, very steep. We would have broken it already. That would have meant that we're going bullish. So, not liking that one, though. Well, and then shorter time scale. I think we did another head and shoulder somewhere out here. But which, like, Bitcoin's been making a lot of small head and shoulders. They're just all failing to play out, right? So. Mavericks now accept Doge as payment. Interesting. Someone did say that about that. Anyways, that's it for Bitcoin here on the 1 hour. We already looked at everything for Bitcoin, so let's move on to Ethereum, man. What is happening with the ETH? Ethereum, where's it at? 1,724. We also have another head and shoulders that we broke, right? The one we drew. Can't remember when we drew it, but we drew it a while back. And we said, look, head and shoulders. We haven't hit measure move. We hit it today. Right, let's get here on the daily for Ethereum. Again, Ethereum doing very nice at $1,724. It did manage to get above that area briefly, fell to close there. Again, moving above the 20. Ethereum going bullish. Yeah, Ethereum played very nice the last couple days. Bitcoin stagnation, or Bitcoin failed to play to the upside strongly, has helped Ethereum recover extremely nice. I like where Ethereum is at. We're seeing some indecision though right now, right? Look at that. Small body, wicks to both sides. It's fine. Had a low, positive, positive, had a low. Nothing bearish, neutral, 56.59. Hidden bullish divergence still in play. There we go. Let's move and a look at the 4 hour Bitcoin. Head and shoulders, right? The larger head and shoulders. This one. 1, 2, 3, right? Getting broken, finally. So a measure move of that. Because we rejected it. Remember, we had divergence, rejected it. That was fine. I do believe we can still count this one to play. This will be one shoulder. This could count as another shoulder altogether, right? It'll be a complex head and shoulders, but it could still play. And I'm just going to go for a measure move. I'm not going to track anything else. If we look, we did go down. We're finding support where we broke and now trying to go higher. So it's fine. Now, old resistance became support. This will target 1,940 if we get that to move, right? If we get that measure move to hit. So that's something I'm looking for here on Ethereum. Again, I just hadn't done the measure move. We didn't know if we're going to break. There's no point in having it until we broke. So again, we have a smaller head and shoulders here. Look, 1, 2, 3. We talked about that one already briefly. Kind of, we just hinted at it. But again, Ethereum in the short term has some bearish divergence against the MACD. Going from high to slightly higher point here. It turned to blue again. Let's make it yellow and keep it here in the 4 hour. And then again, I anchored wrong there. Here we go. That line should also just be here on the 4 hour. Ooh, there we go. So in the smaller head and shoulder, also you can see that it's kind of here. It's not as clear as we would have it on the 1 hour chart. I just wanted to. Sometimes I let things show through time scales. It just depends on whether or not they're kind of visible. But again, this head and shoulder sheet really doesn't look like a head and shoulder sheet, right? It's like boom, 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 right? It's not very well defined, let's say. Anyways, we're bought at 67.53. That is fine. Again, we have some bearish divergence strong. We're trying to hold support. It's looking good. It's still bullish. Again, it broke this head and shoulders. Right, this is a smaller one I was looking at. We had some hidden divergence to here. And from here to here, we created some strong bearish divergence. That's why we pulled back down, thus creating this shoulder that we were missing, right? And that's the beauty of divergence sometimes. It's not necessarily bad, right? Divergence is not your enemy. Sometimes divergence is your friend. It's what you need to have there, particularly bearish divergence. A lot of people don't like it because it brings action to downside. What's up?
Can you do some tech analysis on dollar Doge chart? When to sell?
Yo, for sure, man. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you so much, dude. Yeah. Let's do Doge, dude. We'll do it right after Ethereum, right? I'm not sure I'm going to be able to tell you what to buy and where to sell because that's considered advice. But we can look at Doge and then figure out things for it, right? Andrew, what's up? Anyways, we had this head and shoulders. We're bringing to the upside. That divergence created that peak that we needed, right? Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Everything here was good. And then we just moved up. It was very nice. Again, hit the measure move. We hit it today. Broke above the new. Jesus, you guys are keeping track. Yeah, I think so. 35 for the Seamus release, I think. That's where we're at. We're at 15. According to what YouTube says. So, I don't think we received any other kind of donation to anything. But, yo, good to know, man. Seamus almost free, man. Anyways, we broke up. That's fine. Again, head and shoulders coming into play. It's giving room to this head and shoulders to come in play because now we broke above it. So we can hold on to this bullishness and make it go higher still. Bitcoin's going to need to play ball though, right? Playing ball is going to be key for the new head and shoulders to hit. Again, impulse up, we're flagging. Low to high, high to low, high to low, right? We're starting to create a lot of bearish divergence here. Strong bearish divergence. On Ethereum, potential for action to the downside. That's what we're flagging after that impulse up, which again is not a bad thing, right? Flagging does bring continuation, so. Just want to make sure this is going to be on the 1 hour. It is great, man. We're set. We're golden, man. We're golden. Here we go. Some strong bearish divergence, fraction to the downside. For Ethereum, let's see if we can hold on to whatever bullishness we have in the 4 hour to make it go higher still. I miss him, though. I know. It's fine. He's good. Such the crypto Christmas light NFT because there should be. Nope. There's not one yet. Let's go with something else. Oh, by the way, before I keep on moving, there's something really cool, guys, that I want to show you. I know someone tipped for Doge. Just give me 1 second. I'll do Doge in a second, right? This is very, very quick. If you have ever minted anything on Rarible, right? You can come in here, 1 quick second. You can come into this website. It's called Mural, murall.art/NFTs. And when you come here, you can go, it gives you an option here for like to claim, right? You can claim your paint tokens. You can check if you just connect with your wallet. There's still a lot of paint left for a supply, right? And then you check. It'll tell me that I already claimed. That's fine. But look at that, dude. Look at how much paint they gave me. They gave me like $1 million. It's worth $1,600 right now. Yesterday, it was worth almost $3,000. It kind of had a small crash. But go there. Actually, Flags is the one that showed me these. And I was really happy, man. I was really, really happy to see this that just gave me like $1,000 out of the blue, man. Right? Yesterday was doing so good, man. Flags, I kind of felt like I should have sold yesterday. When I was looking at it, it's like a 3,000. I should sell, man. There's not a lot of graphs for it. I think when Flags put something on the Discord, it was around like $2,300 maybe. It got to a $3,000 mark, and then it just crashed back down. So it was like, dude, I should sell this. But again, it's just some free tokens you can get, and you just gotta check if they're for you, man. So if you ever posted anything on Rarible, just go check it. It might be worth your while to get some of those free paying tokens. You can always sell them for something else. It's good money, right? It's free money. The false flags is in the house. Right. Someone says DVT's breaking my heart. It is breaking my heart too, man. We'll talk about DVT in a second. I'm not sure why it's failing to take off. Everything's set, man. It's just Boomer's in the house. I'm not sure, Boomer. If you have anything there, I didn't know about it. Sir drops a lot. It's in the house. Thank you for being here, man. It's so cool to have you here, man. And it's so cool to have so many people in here. Thank you for being here. Doge. Someone tip for Doge. So let's go do the Doge. Doge. Doge to the doctor. There we go. I haven't looked at Doge in a while, man. But again, look, we went down from low to high, right? We got above that 1618. We came back down, found support at the previous 100%, and then try to move up. That is fine. I want to get rid of this fibs. One thing I'm going to do right now is use the bottom fib as a guide. I don't want to like be having to go hunt for that data again. So I'm going to go low to high. I'm going to use proper fibs now. So we got a valid retrace for Doge. So this is going to be key, right? So again, we from low to high, getting a retrace, hitting that 382, that's fine. We actually even wicked and hit that 50%. Almost spot on. That's the beauty about fibs, right? That most of the time, if you fib properly, right, like we're doing here, we're picking a low that back here. If you fib properly, you get hits that are almost spot on. Here we have at 416, lowest it got was 4152. So we're a fraction, right? 0.0415. Here we have it at 0.0416. So 0.0001 off. It's just a hit, right? So if you fit properly, you do find these areas where you get beautiful support and resistance. I'm gonna hide the Bollinger real quick, but look at this, right? We're floating with this line, we're finding the support real quick, we're finding the resistance, we're getting above it, using it, supporting it, and bouncing, right? So again, good fibs are key for good setups, right? VT, sure, man. It's already in the list. I just haven't updated it, right? I'll update it after Doge. Had a low, positive, had a low. Hidden bullish. We don't have anything since we did get the sideways motion for the longest amount of time. Now we're getting above that 20, which is fine. Might add for that 236 at 0.0612, right? Jimmy, thank you very much for being here. I'll Cardano to the list. It is already in the list, man. There's a list that scrolls through there, man. Right under subscriber goal right now, you'll see a list. It's scrolling through those coins that are there. It's what we're doing so far. So just make sure you're looking at that list before you actually put a request in. It really helps me. And I think VT's ups is there. I'm not sure if it got saved, but there we go. You should be able to basically see what we have queued up, right? So if you already see a coin there, just take advantage of that and just request a different asset. Low to high. High to low, right? Look at this. Boom. Blam. Here we go. Low to high still. So we don't have anything against ours. Against the MACD. Strong bearish divergence. Serve potential action to downside. Jeez, man. How are we gonna get it? Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, dude. I'm not seeing anything low, high, negative, low to high. Nothing bullish, just something bearish right now. And again, if you see this tightening, right, even the Bollinger Band's got kind of squeezed. It's a triangle that we're looking for, right? More or less. Remember we said we're like consolidating, right? We're just getting tighter in a range. At some point in time, we're gonna explode. And a lot of cryptos have this sort of thing going on, right? But we could be looking at something like this real quick. It's a triangle, symmetrical. It could break either way. We're breaking to the upside. It is fine. Again, usually you get a measure move from high to low. I'm not pinpointing it, so the measure move is not going to do us any good right now. But what I'm looking for here, it's just basically see if we broke it, and we're breaking. The 1 hour charts where I want to see if we have something else that we could rely on, because this triangle is not the best looking triangle, right? We don't get the best hits. We're kind of looking at where the targets can more or less be at, and that's what's it. Overbought at 71.95. So let's go to the 1 hour chart so we can look at something here that's cooler. So again, this support line, right? It could be like this. So again, so it's too far off, right? So again, sometimes when you get moves like this and reversals that bring you back above it on the next candle, you can choose to ignore it, because this would still be by all means a hit. It's just a false breakout to the downside, right? And look, you can see that you found support in the next couple candles, and I wasn't pinpointing it to that to happen there. It's pinpointing to get that touch point here, and the wick to also be there. So again, right, this would be the support line that we're getting. And on the larger frame, I do believe the triangle was coming from way back here. So it would have been something from maybe here to here, something like that, right? And breaking to the outside. So that's fairly nice. So I get assuming a little bit more. I'm gonna pinpoint now to here, and I'm gonna shift this a little bit higher, man. I do want to get that touch point up there for this triangle pattern. I believe that's a close enough move there, man. Are we there? Slightly lower still. Let's just there we go. Right, we get that hit there, right? And as you can tell, we're just breaking out on this candle. We already kind of tested slightly for support, and we're still running. So high, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher, still high to low, right? Even here, short term, we're just squeezing, right? Look at the Bollinger Bands, how they got squeezed before it actually exploded. That means volatility had left, right? And we're looking for a move to happen. We had a triangle within a triangle, triangleception, right? Look at that, right? Symmetrical triangle. Again, symmetrical triangles can break it away. So that's what we were expecting to see. A symmetrical triangle. Here we could go low to high on the move, right? A little bit higher than what I needed, but there we go. And this would be the measure move that we're going for, which we already hit, right? It broke us out. We're almost at the top of the measure move, which is fine. We can still, now we've broken out of a larger triangle to the upside. Unless a fake breakout, we could be looking for some continuation of this move to the upside. So again, triangle within triangle, right? And they're both helping us play this on Doge. So again, not being too bad for it. A lot of people refer to Doge as an oscillator. That is fine. A lot of people refer to yeah, people could say it's an oscillator, right? It's fine. Craig says, "Hola peeps, what's up?" Tiffany, thank you for being here. It's a move, right? Higher, nothing anything bullish or bearish. That's fine. I'm getting warnings. The charts are too large. I still need to buy the pro version of this. I'm not sure which one I should get though. I think I need to go with this one. You're not gonna be able to see it here, but it's a premium version. It costs $60 a month. That's the one I need to go with for this thing to work for what we needed to do on the patron stuff. So let's go to Binance. By the way, guys, I'm waiting on YouTube to allow me to I need to find this thing. Where did you go? I had it here. Here we go. I'm still waiting on YouTube to allow me for this thing to go through, right? And first things I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add more emojis as soon as we get 2 members signed up. Right now, it only allowed me to do 4 emotes, right? So 4 emojis customized. And for me to add more, it says 5 more emojis once I get 2 members, and that's fine. I think that's what I would have anyways. So 9 emojis that we would have here for the state of crypto. They're all Seamus related. That's pretty cool. You might not be able to see them that well on your screen, but I think they're pretty awesome. And I did show them here the other day, so if you're here, you got that. Again, YouTube's still reviewing basically the membership tier for this, so it's pretty cool. Once we get it, you guys want to do that, it's just gonna be awesome, right? Awesome support for the channel, and you also get some cool emotes to play with, right? I need to find something here that I closed by accident. Some of my tabs got moved. There we go. Anyways, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on Discord. Link is in the description. Alright, let's keep rolling, man. Let's go Binance up next. Yes, Jeffrey, hit the like. I said, Crypto, you think if I mint any NFT, I can still get a paying token? I'm not sure, man. That's a good question. Not sure if it's one of those things that you had to kind of have beforehand. Someone says Matic to Tether. Sure, man. Matic's already on the list. Not on the list. Awesome, Matic. Sure, Jeff. Thanks for the request. Soka, you're out of luck, apparently. The flag says not likely. BT is on the list, yes. It's coin 16. Thank you, Simon. What do we have here? Again, hidden divergence, action to upside. That is fine. Again, really nothing to worry about here. Moving up on Binance, still moving sideways a little bit, but up above that 20. And today we're moving below the 20. We might try to reclaim it. We'll see, right? That is it for this. Again, neutral at 57.45. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Feels so good to have like a fan on during the stream, because this room was getting really hot. So the last couple of streams, well, besides me being tired, it was also like a little bit hotter, and you know, sometimes that puts like a damper. Also makes you feel like more down. But I hope you guys don't hear the fan, because it's hitting me right on the shoulder actually. So I do believe I'm kind of blocking it from the mic. But yeah, it's keeping my cool, man. Or Gavin at, I'm not sure. Madison said the park with its parrot. Yeah, he didn't tell you that parrot's like one of those falcons. It actually can hunt. I'm kidding. Hello, low to high, Nip. Hello, low to high, dude. I'm not seeing anything here, dude. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Again, that consolidation, right, happening on Binance. That's fine. We're still moving sideways on that. Short term, we pumped. Great. Low to high. And then here we're also going low to high, which is fine. Coming down, going up. Ooh, high to low, positive, high to low. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish, dude. It's just insane to see this do nothing. The amount of nothingness, right? Here we lost 0.4605, negative 44, so 46.44. Still less negative momentum. So I was looking for some hidden bullish at least. There's nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Neutral 52.17. That is it, dude. That is it. That is it, man. Binance. True. Again, guys, remember, we also have a Patreon set up. If you guys want to join us on the Patreon right now as just a support thing for the Theta Crypto. But we are coming up with stuff for Patreon, right? I'm still figuring out a lot of stuff out. So at least I already got this kind of the membership, basic part of the membership set up. There's going to be a second tier for membership, and there's also going to be a second and even a third tier for Patreon. And just still working out some details on that. So thank you guys for being here, and also thank you for the awesome support, right? I joined the Patreon, the hottest chat action on the side of Mississippi. Yeah, we're gonna start doing Patreon nights and Patreon/member nights. I'm gonna combine them, so you can be a member or a Patreon, and you can still get access to the night, right? Because it's still membership, it kind of support. Anyways, Theta Crypto, Mana, sure. Mana's already on the list, man. Thank you, Yo-Yo. Yo, what's up? Let's go to Litecoin, man. There's really nothing happening here on Binance. It's not really exciting at all right now. The Litecoin. Heading bullish. Action to the upside. Great. Hello. Nothing here. Neutral at 52.30. 52.30. That's it. hitting resistance at the 50% retrace, and also rejected the 20, which is fine. We're just below that 50 again. We did manage to hold on to the support at $164.78, which is nice. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Yo, Crypto Greg, thanks for being here, man. Hello, how to low, high to low. Low, high, negatives, again, yeah. That's it, nothing here. Neutral at 57.59. So nothing that I'm looking at here is going to help. Low to high, dude. Low to high here. Hello, some bearish divergence. Some strong bearish divergence. We have something. We've discovered something, Captain. Here we go. On the 1-hour chart, right? We already checked. We know we're going lower, so it's just slightly, right? So slight that it might be unnoticeable on the other chart. This 0.048. This is 0.044. If you don't see it, you just want to say it's going sideways. That'll be a weak bearish divergence. I do believe we have that strong bearish divergence though, because it's slightly less. With that, we're in that action to downside and finding the support of the 20 on the 1-hour chart. Nothing bullish yet. What? Jesus. Something. Awesome. This is #1 fan. Thank you, Crypto Greg, for that. I appreciate it, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Awesome. Thank you very much for that, man. Let's do something else, man. I know, it's so cool, man. Dot's not on the list. Yes, you're correct. Dot is not on the list. It's for Litecoin. Let's go to RSR. RSR. Even my throat feels a lot better from just taking that day off, right? Someone said AVAX. Sure. Why not? Litecoin's breaking back channel that it broke. Not seeing that break from a channel. Let me zoom out a little bit more. All I can tell you is that it has bearish divergence, and I don't think this is what we're looking for here. So I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm not gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna actually re-anchor it, and I do believe this is the move we were looking for, right? This is the support line that we have. That we must stay outside off, right? Here we go. So this is our move, I believe. So hit, then hit here again. We're very close to hitting here. So this is our support line. I'm gonna call this a support line. Breaking that would put us in a short-term bearish trend, right? Again, I sometimes I don't trace this ones. That's fine. That's really depend. Like you said, it's breaking a channel. On what time scale, man? Naughty Fun. Litecoin is backtesting support from its channel breakout 3 hours ago. I'm not sure what channel breakout it broke 3 hours ago. I'm not seeing a channel breakout here. I mean, if you want to go with a line like maybe this, no, it would have broken it a while back. So not even that line would work. So not sure what breakout you're talking about, man. I'm not seeing the channel that we're breaking out of, because if I see this as a channel, it's an upsloping channel. We're really not breaking out. We're still in the channel. Just from the all-time high. Oh, all right. So we're looking at something major. Nope. The all-time high is up here, man. All right. All-time high is at 419. So if I go like that, we're still not breaking out of it. That line's way up here, so 247. We're too far from it. So not from an all-time high, brother. Sometimes for this kind of things, it's easier if you just send me something on the Discord, right? And you just tell me like what you're looking at. Then I can check, look, high to low. Like we broke it a couple days ago if you want to consider that breaking some kind of line. Still holding support here on the hidden bullish. I'm not seeing the channel that you're talking about. I would love to be able to see it, man, but I'm not getting it. Maybe this one here on the 4 hour. Sure, man. Maybe something like this, or We could say, yeah, we kind of broke this, right, a couple hours ago using it as support. Not really a channel, though. Right, it was just a resistance that we're breaking out of on the 4-hour chart. I could go with this one, right? I could buy this one as a potential breakout of a pattern. It's not gonna be a channel. Maybe here, you're talking about down here as a channel, 4-hour. Need a channel tool. Again, sometimes without getting the exact same data you guys have, it's just up to imagination to try to figure out what you guys are looking at sometimes. So, if you can provide me with the visuals, right? And yeah, if we look at this as a downsloping channel, short-term downsloping channel, bounce to the 20, we're breaking out of it. Yeah, that could work. Yeah, this could work as a potential breakout. Why not? We'll give it that. That's fine. And remember, everything that is down sloping tends to break the upside, right? So yeah, I could be breaking out of that channel, man. Why not, right? Could come back down, back test it, and then see if we run. That's it for Litecoin, though. Let's go on to RSR. RSR did really good today. Let's hope it's still doing good. Ooh, it is. I like it. RSR, where had you been all my life? You guys know my story with RSR. It's a horrible story. I got in here at 31 cents. I suffered through this valley of death. Took some profit around here, or didn't take profit. I sold some here, and then I sold some here, some here, and then some here, and then I bought back in here, somewhere around here, and then rode that back up. It had this cup and handle formation coming in. Also it helped. If you want to know why I got out at these levels, it was very easy. I had fibs back here before I had too much data on the charts and had to start deleting some stuff. But I was going, why is it not coming through? Here we go. High to low, right? I had this fibs. Right, hello. First area of taking that or getting some back was here at 382, then the 50%, then the 786 and the 618, something like that. I can't remember if I was using the wicks or not, but it was something like this. And that's why I had areas here was, just selling some at a loss and then bought back here. So I ended up with the same average. It was just a dumb move. So when I bought back in here, I basically ended up having more or less the same average that I had. So my position more or less stayed the same, and right now I'm doing good on it. I can't complain. I was getting tired of it when it was like somewhere around here. I said I'm getting bored of just holding this coin. So from here to here, the move right now, it's about 132%. So I'm 132% to the upside right now on that trade, and buying back in here. And part of the reason I bought back in was because of the cup and handle. 40 Cal Productions. How you doing, Bitcoin, please? Yeah, I already did Bitcoin at the beginning, man. I'll do it again in a recap, right? Can't wait for a recap to happen. I missed so much chat. I got everything almost. Oh, good. Let's keep rolling again. This is doing good, man. We do have some strong bearish divergence right now. And high, slightly higher here. Thinking about taking profit on this already and moving to something else. Or let's just recover my let's just take out my capital, right? My initial capital here, or my principal, whatever you're gonna call it. Just take it out. It's already doing really good. Even if I keep the rest, it's still gonna be doing good, right? So really thinking about just taking out my initial investment and run with it. So we'll see, man, right? Yeah, it's not doing bad, brother, right? It's not doing bad. Or the tip requests, we did Seamus. I'm not sure, it doesn't matter. Like, I don't do this for the tips, right? I do this because I like doing this. The tips are like a side part of it. But the tips are really greatly appreciated, right? Like, if I want to do this my full-time job, then I need the tips for real, because then, right now, like, my job pays the bills, but yeah. Flex is right. Never get too attached on a project. It's not a marriage, right? It's an investment. Once you get your principal out, you're able to invest in something else. Look, this has an inverse head and shoulders formation here on the daily. It's actually looking really good for an inverse head and shoulders. Not even need to measure because I know we're gonna get it. They're really good, but look at this. Could be a head and shoulders continuation. You usually want to see a head and shoulders inverse, head and shoulders coming from an uptrend to a downtrend. Read them like this could be a continuation, and I do believe we might be breaking that neckline, or we've broken that neckline. Oh, not that, man. Why are my curves coming in yellow, man? I usually have them in. Why are they yellow? These things are always blue, man. They're color blue. Jeez, why are they yellow today? Why did you go yellow? Here we go. Let's get this back on the blue track, I guess. Here we go. Yes, Flags is right. Never get too attached to the project, right? In the end, it's money, and if you're trading, you're doing it for the money, not for the project. If you're hodling, you're doing it for the project. If you're trading, that is it. Get attached to Bitcoin. Bitcoin number one. Gavin's in the house. Never been here, man.
What's up?
What is my job? I do business development for a Swiss company, and that's what pays the bills right now. But before that, I used to work for trading companies, and that was fun. I want to get back to just doing trading and streaming, dude. That's what I want to do full time, but not for a company, just for myself, though. Oh, I like this. I like this neckline that we're breaking. I do believe we're very close to hitting pattern completion here, but visibility, it's on the daily. And let's take a quick measurement here. From low to the high. I'm actually going to move this off to the side here and get that smaller amount up higher still. If I'm breaking, we're looking at a hit. If we get a measure move, we're looking for a hit at the top of around 82 point. What is this, dude? 8.23 cents. That's the move, right? That's where I want to see it. That's where I want to see it go, man. Chocobo Coco, yeah, right. Bitcoin Canadian for Gavin? Sure, man. Well, Bitcoin Canadian in a little bit. Let me go through RSR, though. When I do the recap for Bitcoin, I'll do Canadian Bitcoin. Canadian Bitcoin. I'm a concert photographer, videographer. Awesome, dude. That's cool. You must be getting pretty good concerts to go to, man. That's pretty awesome. Dude, that'll be really tight. Anyways, again, still has potential to the upside, at least to that 8.23 cent mark. Dude, that's gonna be tasty, man. That's gonna be tasty, right? But again, I really do believe I should just take my principal out of here. It's doing good right now. Like I said, right now it's at 133%. If I wait for that move, I can't even see it, but it should be around 161%. Ooh, tasty, dude. Yeah, might wait to see if we hit that measure move. If not, I might set up a take profit level somewhere on here. Still keep 100%, and then just keep the rest in there. Take my principal back out. It's doing really good on RSR. So let's go to the 4 hours. See what we have there, man. RSR, we had the hidden bullish, pumping to the upside, higher, positive, more positive, higher still. We're about at 23.01, so nothing bearish. Let's go here, man. The false flags. Jacob Klein, Ave and Link. Yeah, why not, man? All right, Link's already in the list. They're not on the list. They're not on the list, but that's not how you request, bro. Come on, man. You know that. I know that. Everyone knows that. Let's do this, man. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. Make this yellow again. Here we go. Dude, high to low, and low to high. That's it, dude. Some bearish divergence, strong action downside, going down, hitting that 20, bouncing, which is really good. I love that bounce that it took. It is bullish, man. It is bullish. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, dude. Do we have some low, high, negative, less negative, low, high? That's fine, dude. Nothing. Finding support, that's fine, and then bursting through, man. It is so beautiful. Let's see if we can make a higher high here, right? That'll be awesome for this. That'll be key. If we go higher than this previous high, it would negate whatever bearishness we're having here. Otherwise, I mean, the resistance line. The question here is where we're going to have that resistance. Are we going to go with the resistance like this, or we're going to re-anchor and go with something like this, maybe, right? Let me adjust here for a second. Which kind of could be, right? We have this resistance line. We hit it here. We actually broke slightly below it. We're confirming being back above it, and we're trying to hold on to it again. It looks too tight, right? It looks too tight. It feels tight as a resistance. So might open it up a little bit. Might even consider going with the wicks, maybe. That wick there. Maybe even that wick there. Yeah, something like that. Hold support here a couple times. Hit him with a wick. Yeah. Can become support there. I'm going to wait. I'm going to delete it. I might come back to it and redraw it again. After stream, I want to figure out where I have the support line here on the 1 hour chart for RSR. So again, some bearish divergence. Let's go to DVT, man. DVT, breaking my heart, man. It's failing to perform. It did take a nice pump right after it hit that Binance smart chain. But look at that, dude. It's taking a massive drop since. So it's not really performing to the best potential. Not sure why it is that it's just gone down again. And someone put a massive wall here around 20 sats. Some dickwad. Sorry. Some what put up a massive wall here at 4.04, right? Like for 4.04 millions at 20 sats. Someone like really wants to keep it below 20 sats. So I wouldn't be surprised if someone actually drop this or make this tank on purpose, just so you could set up a wall, and that's it, right? It's just weird. Anyways, let's get this back on the dark. Let's look at this on the dark mode. Yar, some of you people like the dark mode. Indicators. MACD and RSI, right? Yeah, it didn't work. RSI. Here we are. What is that? Oh, I have 2 RSIs now. Jeez, let's get rid of one. Let's get rid of this one. And let's color code this. Let's color code this sucker to green. Here we go, man. Green and columns. That's awesome. Here we are, man. Low, lower, negative, low, lower. Low, lower, negative, less negative. All right, there's some bullish divergence here for DVT, dude. Look at this. Strong bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite. It's not really taking off yet, right? Don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Against the MACD. That is it. Let's go to the for our chart, dude. I really, really, really wish this was playing out much better, man. Much, much better to the upside. Yep. That's it, dude. In high, slightly higher, high to low, high to low. We had bearish divergence here on the 4 hour chart. Fallman coming in here, messing around with us, right? Here to here. From here to here. But that is fine. I was really expecting to see this go higher still, man. I wasn't expecting to like have such a short move on the massive news that it had on it becoming an a DeFi project. So it was just kind of awkward seeing it not pump a lot yet. And then on the daily, we also managed to create this bearish divergence strong. It could be that the bearish divergence and technicals are at play here, but I doubt it. I mean, it's a small project with a small cap. It's easily manipulated by, could be easily manipulated. Anyways, I do believe we're creating some divergence here. I'm just gonna have to double check, but yeah, more negative momentum as we're coming up higher. So we have some hidden bullish. That could at least put a stall on this around this area and maybe try to do a reversal. That'd be awesome. Again, really need to get rid of this. Whoever is putting this big wall here at 4 million around 20 sats, which is not cool actually. It's sad to see it there. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I was really hoping that this was gonna be doing a lot better today, but it isn't. Evil Twin Brother, red. Awesome. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to ADA. People said ADA on the Discord, so let's go ADA, man. At $1.13. Not bad. Not bad for ADA. I mean, not doing anything crazy, but also not dropping. Again, sideways motion, right? Below previous 100% high, that's fine. Not getting a lot. Hidden bullish still on play. Still above that 20, but below the previous 100%. Again, nothing too crazy. We broke that line. We're in a short-term bear trend. That's it, dude, right? Neutral. Sorry, yeah, neutral at 59.70. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Could be taking a breather before it actually pumps, right? Yeah, ADA, and then Theta. Heather, thank you very much for asking. Hello. Hidden bullish. Again, you know, that consolidation sideways, that triangle formation forming. Yeah, being made here. Forming. Triangle formation forming, yeah. Duh. Again, yeah, we're getting this triangle formation here, right? Symmetrical triangle, which could break either way. Getting tightness on them, ball in your bands, right? On them, ball in your bands, man. Could break either way. And this is what we have right now. So that's it for ADA. Again, really wish it had something more interesting going on. It doesn't. Neutral at 48.66. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. High to low, high to low. Low to high, some hidden bearish here. Interesting. Putting some pressure on the price to go down. Still finding support at the 20 on the 1 hour chart, and that's what's trying to get us to go higher, but we're failing at the 100% closing, right? And that divergence is there. Nothing bullish right now. Neutral 54.81. That's it for ADA. It doesn't have any determination as to where it wants to go. It could just keep on fluctuating around that area. So now we're gonna move on to ADA. ADA. No, not ADA. That's it. Theta. Sorry. I called it wrong as Theta. Oh, jeez. I just moved it from where we're supposed to be. What do we have on the ADA, man? On the ADA front. Does anyone know how to send? Yeah, go to South Exchange and go to wallet and then say, get your wallet on South Exchange and then you can send it from whatever you're at South Exchange. That's complex. Jake might be able to help you with that. I'm not sure if Jake's in though. I think he was in earlier, but I haven't seen him chat a lot, so. Hello. That is bearish divergence. We'll move down on that. Trying to recover. We're above the 1618, which is fine in neutral. Sorry, bought at 68.93. Let's go to the 4 hour chart here, man. Low to high, negative, letting it. Jesus, it doesn't have anything. It created some hidden bullish. Yay, hidden bullish. The hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside. There we go. That's it, dude. Hidden bullish. Rallying on that. Getting above that. 1618. Finding support there. Still fine. Again. Not really doing a lot. Neutral. Neutral bought at 60.15. Let's go to the 1 hour. There you go. Jake comes in with the save, dude. Jake's saving people from exchange failure or something. High to low. There is. Oh, snap. I got rid of that there. I just wanted to anchor it. Man. Come on. Negative to less negative. And then here we don't have it against RSI. So we had some strong bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite. That is very nice. High to low to high can. Some hidden bearish coming into play and putting a pressure on the price to go back down. And that's why we get that move to play. Good rate we have it against MACD and the RSI. So, interesting. There it is. Low to high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing here that is bullish. Again, high to low, positive. Nothing since. Tightness of the volume bands coming in a little bit, but, sideways motion more or less since we hit this hidden bearish. Let's see if we can get continuation of this bullishness happening. That'll be very good for Theta. Again, sideways motion right now. If we move to the upside, we're above the 20. So if we move to the upside, we have a target at the 2618. Now put it here at $4.90. Right now, it's at $4.38. And if we break below that 20, next target would be $4.16. One of those projects doesn't have anything on its own, more or less. Right, Heather, thank you so much for that. No worries. BLZ. The Blazing Saddles of BLC. Also a good movie. By the way, I did get to see the new Coming to America. It was okay. I mean, it was funny at some points, but it was okay, I guess. Yeah. Well, just for being here, you also get perks, right? Just let us know who you are on the Discord, and you'll get access to the trooper role. And just for being here and coming in here consistently, you just get access to where you can also put some pre-stream requests, right? Donators have a they have more, right? They have more of a like they have priority over regular non-donators, let's say, over troopers. But you can join there, and that'll be awesome, right? I mean, if you let us know, you at least get troopers, yeah. And you can also request. But once we start getting, the Patreon, like patrons are also gonna get like priority over donators, right? And YouTube members from certain YouTube members are also gonna get priority, right? So at some point in time, we're gonna start capping how many come from each level. So Patreons and members will have priority over donators, and then donators have priority over troopers, and then troopers are last tier, so they're gonna get the least amount of coin requests available, right? So it might be something like 10, then 6, and then 5 or something. We don't know yet. It'll be something like that, but yeah. Yeah. Shredhead says, dude, what's up? You had a great weekend. I did have a great weekend, man. Thank you very much for asking. The original one was your favorite? Yeah, the original was good, man. This one was okay. I think the first one was funnier. Here, they made him a little bit weaker of a character. Like, on the first one, he even, fought a robber, right? Here, he's, afraid of, some general, whatever. So, no spoilers, but I think the first one, the character of Akeem was stronger in the second one. They make him a little bit weaker, and it was okay. It wasn't my favorite movie. But it's an okay movie. I thought it was going to be much funnier. He brought a lot of the same characters out, right? The barber guys still there. The barber guys from Queens, right? The old guys from Queens. Still there, man, right? We have some hidden bullish, by the way. That's what I was looking at right now. We're looking for actually the opposite. Now we're creating that strong bearish. Moving down, hitting that support and bouncing, which is okay. We could still go on bouncing, right? And then creating that that strong bearish, but we might actually shake it off. Right now we do have that strong bearish on the daily. What movie? Coming to America. With, Eddie Murphy. The second one just dropped on Amazon Prime. So if you have it on Amazon Prime, you can watch the sequel that is 30 years later. They actually make fun of that. It's at some point in time, one of the characters says, doing a sequel for a movie that no one requested. And that just seems like it's like a hit on its own, for its own movie, right? No one requested that sequel and they just made it, so it's funny. I thought it was funny. Low to high, high to low, right? Some bearish divergence, strong action downside, going down, hitting support and bouncing, so it's fine. You're into that Disney movie with no songs? What do you mean? I'm not sure what movie it is. Nothing here. Neutral, overbought at 72.69. That is it for this. It's another 1 hour chart. A lot of high, negative, more negative. Yeah. We could go with this hidden divergence here. This hidden bullish, right? Again, we do have that strong bearish. I do believe that's going to play out and bring the price down a little bit, or at least put a damper on how quickly it could have gone up. And that's it. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. A Disney movie with no songs. What world are we leaving? That's a good question. I'm not even sure what movie he's watching. It needs to be listed on Binance soon. Yeah, I hope so, dude. That would be nice. Ryan the Last Dragon. Oh, I seen that, dude. They have it on Disney Plus. Might check it out, dude. All right, Disney Plus. Check out that one. I'm not sure if it's gonna be good or not. I saw that yesterday. It was there. So, who knows? Let's just leave this here on the 1 hour, dude. Again, bearish divergence strong. There's a lot of strong bearish divergence for this, man. On daily, on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, potential production downside, right? It's real. It's there. And if you're worried about your position, just set up a stop loss. If you're not worried about your position, you're gonna let it ride, then you know, it's fine. We can still go down to 20, find support before we actually drop lower. If we drop below there, we have the 1618 to look forward to at 25.90 cents. But if we manage to bounce there, again, next target at these 2618 around 38.90, right? That is it for BLZ. We live in a world with Dr. Seuss. Yeah, I saw that one. It's just so many things that before we're not seeing as wrong. Now people get all touchy-feely about it because society has changed. And, you know, everything was okay back then. Or at least people thought it was okay. And now, you know, everyone wants to be politically correct. So, you know, all the stuff you used to write and laugh about is no longer acceptable. So all those movies become all of a sudden weird, right? What Aladdin, dude? I was watching Aladdin. I did the cartoon. I put it for my kids. It had like before, it didn't have any kind of warning. Now it's like, oh, this cartoon actually depicts wrong interpretations of certain people of some nationalities. You know, it's like, what? Really? You think people are getting offended at cartoon? I mean, we're in a world where people get touchy feeling about everything, so it's fine. I guess people need. I guess these companies need to like cover. But it was weird. I'll jump on a voice call tonight, Captain. Oh, high, native, more native, low, high. Or bought. Sorry, not bought. It's 65.22. That's it. This BLZ. High card Jesus, Coinbase down 45 minutes. Beware. Interesting. Let's get a comp. Batusai, what's up, dude? I haven't seen you in a while. Thank you for being here, man. So is Blazing Saddles not PC? Yeah, I guess Blazing Saddles will be. It's probably gonna be on the next movie burning they do, right? Oh, you cannot watch that. It's bad for you. Mel Brooks is heathen, something like that. Well, let's get on the daily for comp. Anyways, hidden. Bullish, pumping that, had a low, positive, had a low, neutral at 6.58. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Because I'm always here, but I'm listening. Interesting. Hello. I think you're more of a lurker than the Elon Musk of lurking. Low to high, negative was negative. Low to high, nothing here. Neutral at 48. There's just doing nothing. It's consolidating on comp, so that's fine. Low to high, dude, negative, nothing. Lower. All right, some hidden bullish against the RSI. I want to go with that because I'm not finding a lot, and it's part of the fact that we're getting consolidation. You can even look at it. Look at this. It's just nothing. It's just shop. It's just noise here. Sideways motion again. Not doing a lot. Had a low. Neutral at 43.85. That is it for comp. Did I skip over engine? I think I skipped over engine. I'll go back to it, man. I'm sorry, engine people. You guys requested it. I skipped over it. I'm sorry about that. For some reason, I just thought comp was next. Engine doing good on the daily. Let's go again. Moving higher. Great. It broke everything. It's broken everything. It's above and beyond what we have fibbed. I want to do some magic fibs here. High to low, man. Ooh, we're on target for that 1.85. I'm actually gonna use wicks. I think that's look at this. We got a beautiful hit. We broke down, found support. That's fine. Resistance a little bit, broken up, and jeez, man, jeez. What up with this project, dude? I'm gonna use wicks for this because I need them. I need them wicks. I need larger targets. If I use wicks from high to low here, we're hitting that 1618, which is a beautiful hit. Don't get me wrong. That is it. We're not making any valid retrace. So I cannot make proper fibs for high to low on a different time scale for this. That is it for this, right? We were playing what? Interesting, dude. Just control risk. Remember, part of successful trading is controlling risk. High, low, high, low, high. Or bought at 84, 86, 84.78. Ooh, we have some bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. Again, bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. Be careful with that. You can still go on higher, right? Remember, it's still bullish. You have that strong bearish divergence here also. Also here, what is this? 82, 90 something. 82, 74. Yeah, it's more or less sideways, but still slightly less. So let's go from here. There we go. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside on engine. Watch out. Again, the hidden bullish that we had here is still playing, so that will just shift onto there. That will move on to here, and it's golden. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, first of all, I forgot to anchor this. Jesus, I hate when I forget to anchor. It just makes everything bad. Load high, dude. Overbought at 83.43. Again, hitting that 1618. Yay! Sure, man. It's doing it. It's doing it. It's there, man. That is it for now, though, right? Again, you can still go on higher, like I said. Next target after that will be $2.23 at the 2618. If it wants to go on pumping. Again, extremely bullish. So if you're worried about a position going down, just set up stop loss, right? That is it. Yeah, South Exchange was also having problems today. I was a little bit worried, but they're fine now. I think they're up and running. Mana. Here we go, man. Mana. 44.80. Where are we going with mana, man? What are we doing, man? Where we be? Again, bearish divergence. Move down on that. Hit that previous 100%. Popping again. Guess what? Still tracking. I think we no longer have it. I think the bearish divergence played to where it needed to play. At least against the MACD, right? I'm actually going to have to read it. 13029, 13007, 029, 028. It's just basically borderlining it. Sometimes a little bit higher, sometimes a little bit lower, but it's more or less on target. I'm going to wait against the MACD. I'm going to go against the RSI. That's definitely easy to see, right? High to low here. And I'm saying I'm waiting. The reason I want to call it is because we haven't consolidated this day and it's going to keep on shifting. So it's not going to have any impact on us putting it there right now. If it's actually very, very close to negating it. So let's go here. And then here to here, slightly higher, right? So we're starting to create some bearish divergence against the RSI. All right, that is it. Let's go to 4 hour. That would imply action to downside. Moving down would get us to the 1618 at 0.42 or 42.31 cents. Right now, sitting at 44.91 cents. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Low to high, high to low. I actually have some mana. I bought very little mana once, like a joke of mana, like less than $1. It's worth more than that now. There's some spare Bitcoin that I had in an exchange. I needed to use for something. I was like, yeah, what can I get with this? I was like, oh, I can get a little bit of mana. I can get a little bit of mana, dude. Again, that strong bearish divergence still here, right? My conditions are bullish, so might not play out. Neutral at 43. Sorry, not neutral. Overbought at 43.74. Again, potential correction to downside. What? The Mumba.
Thanks for doing RSR and BLZ.
Yo, no problem. Thank you very much for the kind donation, dude.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Getting closer to set Seamus free now, I guess. We could say that, right? Someone was asking about Seamus freedom. It's still there, man. He's still incarcerated. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. He's in leprechaun jail for doing naughty leprechaun things. Sorry, guys. Break this candy open. Ooh, we're bearish on the likes. Interesting. Fuck. Ah, snap! I dropped the candy, man. That's fine now. It didn't go far. Here it is. Not there yet, man, Mamba, but I appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you.
There it is. What kind of candy do I have? Ricola, dual action. For relief of sore throat. I would donate my quarters. That's interesting. Yeah, like an arcade machine. Yeah, it's like 50 quarters, man. Anyways, 108 people. We're lagging on the likes. If you like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. Join us on the Discord. One of the best communities out there, man, for crypto. Joe Grows, thank you for being here, man. What is up? I'm in the 1 hour, so I'm gonna start here. I think we already did the other ones. I'm not sure. Might have. I lost track whether or not we did the daily for this. I think we might have. So, and so strong bearish divergence for action to downside. That's what we have. So, possibility for it moving down. Here for a retest. What?
Is the tech around dot actually a thing? Every rabbit hole I go down somehow skews or mentions dot. Thoughts?
Right. Sure. We can do dot right after Mana. Thank you for requesting it, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, man. Much appreciated. Bought at 71.64. Right on, dude. That is it for Mana. Still pumping, right? Like I said, still go higher, right? Again, market conditions are bullish right now for some of the projects. Like I've been saying for the projects that I believe that market conditions are bullish for. Let's go to dot. Dot has some hit bullish. First things I'm looking at, right? Head bullish divergence for action to the upside. Trying to see what else I can call here. Not sure how strong it's going to play though. We are in a large triangle. You might be able to see this, right? Wimples up. We're making a pennant. It usually tends to break to the upside. I'm just going to make the line like this for now. Again, from here to like... From here to there, right? Something like this. So again, that's what I'm looking at, right? That pennant formation here. On dot. That would mean potential action to the upside still, remember? So... That is a move, man. Loving the stream as usual. Oh, thank you very much, man. I really appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here. Neutral 58.49. That's it, dude. Again, we're bouncing at a support of the 618. Trying to head for that 786. That's fine. We did some minor fifths, see where we could go. Not doing too bad, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. I'm not sure why we're targeting here 100%. It makes no sense to have it here. 100% should have been here for this. So, high to low. Low to high. Probably was what I was targeting, right? Low to high. So, yep. No, this is high to low. I'm not sure why the fibs were tight. Still fibs, right? Rejecting right now, 50. Bounce at 382. All good. Below, above the 20. High to low, positive, positive, high to low. Low high negative more. See that hidden bullish still here also on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, lads. And had a low also, right? Hello. Neutral at 51.57. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Again, it's consolidating into a triangle, right? They can break it away. I'm not seeing anything else that would suggest any other move right now. That's the point about triangles, right? Here we could say that we made a sort of double bottom here. 1, 2, moving to the upside on that. It'll be the only thing I'm looking at as a pattern that could be forming here, and we're very, very close to that being a double bottom, right? So 1, 2. This would be our confirmation line that we already broke, back testing some. And looks like an Adam and, we'll say an Adam and Eve, and it could be around a 33% move to the upside on this. I'll go with that. That's close enough. So if we are to make this move, we'll be looking at a target of $43.66. Right now, sitting at $34. It's not too bad if I move, actually. On confirmation, right? But a lot of high negative. Slightly more negative, I think. Yep, hidden bullish also. Like I've said, right? Not a lot the coolest stuff that we have, but it is what it is, man. It is what we have to play with. Like, we're limited in our toys right now because this coin is being just weird. Oh, it's in the 1 hour. I just set it to the 4. Anyways, here we go. Low high, high to low, right? We have some bearish divergence. That's what we're seeing this movement down. We're still holding on to support at that 20, which is fine, right? Again, support at the 20 is fine. That's where we were supposed to go to find some support. We break that. Could really retest this zone, if not go lower, and then we could get the pattern, right? So, but this is what we have right now. Some strong bearish divergence here, man. Neutral 54.53, man. I sent something to the 4 hour that shouldn't be there, man. And I think it's this line here. I'm gonna have to clean it up afterwards, I guess. I'll write here, clean up. It's gonna look dirty, but let's go to Kai. Sorry, no, let's recap. Actually, we haven't recapped in a while. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, oh no, at 50,000. We're holding in support. Great. Again, rejecting 51,250. We have not been able to close above that area. That's why I say it was key a while back on this date. On the 24th, we said it's key to be above that area. Right now, it is the 7th, so a couple days, and we're still not above there. Struggle with it. It's fine. We're still in that range. 51,250 to 49,691. And here again, potential little bottom forming. Break line. Neckline. Sorry, not neckline. Confirmation line, breaking it. Moving to the upside. If we hit a target measure move, not a target measure move, if we hit a move we're supposed to be getting to, we're looking at around $65,000 Bitcoin, right? Again, I'm not sure we're going to be getting that right now. That's what we have. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. Again, bearish divergence, section downside, moving down, finding support at the support line that we drew. That's right here. Yeah, we wicked it, bounced from it. Now we'll try to break below it. We're still holding on support there. It is fine. Let's go to Kai. Hi, Car Jesus. If you need TA, there's a format. I know you've been screaming it for a while. I just don't. If you don't put it at the steady crypto in the asset, I just don't look at stuff. Right? It is just how I determine when you guys are just having fun versus requests. It's unfair for people that, might be requesting an asset and just not putting in the format, and I skip over that and then, pay attention to some other people so that if I get pinged, at least it'll go on the queue. It has a bigger chance of me looking at it and putting it on the queue. But that is it. Key Andrew, are you in a trade right now? Yes, I have a long open for Bitcoin. Not on leverage, just I have a lot of Bitcoin. Not a lot of Bitcoin. I have some Bitcoin I'm long on. I have some Ethereum I'm long on. I have some other projects I'm long on. And I'm looking to close some positions probably if the market starts to move bearish. And yeah. Right now I'm still seeing decision in the market. Short term trend turned bullish, but again, long term trend is bullish, mid term is bullish, short term just turned bullish. But again, we're seeing a lot of indecision, so I'm still waiting. I'm a little bit reserved in the short trend. That's it. Hi, Card Jesus again. Do the Theta crypto. I'll check out whatever you need whenever I get to that project. But other than that, you know, if you're screaming in the chat, I mean, I'm not gonna be able to look at it. Not that I don't want to look at it, man. It's fair for everyone, right? If you have Theta crypto, you get my attention and I look at things. Let's go to Kai. Oh, we looked at this the other day. It's a Kardashian coin. Cardia chain coin. The Kardashian coin. Kardashian coin. Whatever, man. Hi, Card Jesus, that is fine. I mean, we're here to look at whatever people want to look at, right? People have been requesting coins. We got to look at those coins. You know, you might just want to look at that one coin. That is fine. Or that one asset. You know, Bitcoin down. Whatever. Some people want to look at other stuff also, right? How do I feel about mana short term? Oh, I just hit mana, dude. I think we're having indecision. It was still pumping, and I said it could do its own thing, but it's one of those coins that are really not caring about any bearish divergence, still just going higher. Astro Steve, yo, thank you, man. Someone already requested that. We already did it, so just wait for me to go into a recap, and I'll check it out. I don't have a lot of coins left on the list right now, so stick with me for a second. I'll check them out. Right, high to low, high to low, high to low. Neutral at 50.73. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Coming lower still, negative and less negative. So we had some bullish divergence. We were waiting for it to trigger. That is fine. We kind of lost it against the RSI, but we kept it against, we still kept it against the MACD. So we had it here. In here. Just reposition this anchoring. It's still there. Still bullish. It just took a little bit longer to form. It formed against the MACD and not against the RSI like we were looking for. Strong bullish pump into the upside. That is fine. We're creating hidden bearish now. Moving down to that after hitting a resistance at the 618, we're going back down. Maybe retest that 50 right on Kai. It'll be a good chance of us hitting that 50 actually on the bearish divergence that we have. So I'll be looking for maybe a quick bounce test there. Neutral at 56.97. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We got another bounce happening here. We'll break this line. We could be looking at a 3 rising valleys, right? 1, 2, third valley. This confirmation line is way up here at around 3.07 cents. Right now, sitting at 2.78 cents. It's all good, man. I haven't done one, dude. No one's requested it. Thank you for asking, Full Dark. Load high, load high, load high, dude. Neutral at 52.16. That is fine. The 20. Yep, above that 20 still. Again, Kai doesn't have a lot here, right? It just pumped insanely high. Doesn't have anything here. Low, lower, negative, less negative maybe. We create some bullish divergence. That's the only thing I'm looking at right now. This thing that already played out. We would be late for the move right now, right? That's the thing with Kai. We weren't here to watch it, so 619, 664, slightly more negative. Coming lower and then lower still. Nothing bullish actually. Pumped a little bit. That's fine. Again, I'm not seeing anything bearish here. I'm not seeing any other pattern and formation. So just 1, 2, 3, What if it start going up to maybe look at an in here, right? And then try to make something from, we go from high to low here. We could do maybe fib retracement, right? We don't have it come from low yet. And then with that, we could even be looking at a 1, 2, 3, right? No, 3 rising valleys, potential action to the upside, right? So Kai, that's it, dude. Let's go to bat. Someone said bat. I like bat. I howled some bat. Korean Batsai also likes bat because he gave me some bat. He likes the Batman. We're hitting bad. Bearish divergence, action downside going down. Hitting that previous 100%, right? That's fine. Hit some resistance there. We have a line at 77.38. For some reason, we put it up there. It's all good. It's all golden. Again. Bearish divergence strong. Action to downside. Hitting support. Bouncing. Great move. Flagging. Consolidating sideways. It's looking okay. Hotboxing. What's up, dude? Jesus. Brent says he can't sleep. I'm back. Oh, thank you for being back, man. The TA is appeased. Interesting. We're bought at 60.39. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Dude, did we set up something here? Yeah, we set up some entry and an area for take profit. So good. Our entry was here for some reason. 47. That's fine. Nice profit level to the upside here. So, what am I doing? Let's go here. 56%, dude, and more, right? So we had a target, but probably on a pattern or something. Maybe from the 1-hour chart. Yep, on the 1-hour chart, I believe we might have it. We're looking probably through Rising Valley, 1, 2, 3, into the upside. Hit target. Great if you had this play. Awesome. We talked about it. That's why it's here. That's why it's here. Let's talk about something similar like this on VT, which also is playing out. So, low to high, low to high, low to high. Nothing bearish. Low, lower, negative, less negative. All right, some strong bullish divergence here on this last bit. And with that, we can that actually upside had a low, positive, had a low. Nothing here. Neutral at 51.19. And strong bullish actually upside. Again, measure move hit or target move hit for the first exit. And a very nice profit level, right? 54% on bat. So great. VT coming soon. Yeah. 2 more coins. Can you believe it? 2 more coins, man. Mine isn't done yet. I know. I said it's still going bullish, remember? So it might not care about the divergence of the bearish divergence. It could still go on bullish, right? Low, lower. Jeez, man. Not liking this one here. It's too tight. Low, lower. It actually looks more like a double bottom. I would be more comfortable saying it's moving sideways. Even it looks like it might be moving sideways and going negative, less negative for some strong bullish divergence. That would be the move, though. Strong bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the upside, pumping up on that. Really with a lot of strength. And potential over bottom also, right? And with that moving up. Great. 1. Sure, man. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher still. Yep. Low, high, negative. Less negative, and then low to high. Neutral at 45.34. Nothing on bad, dude. Nothing on bad right now. The move's already done. Gotta wait for something else to develop. We don't have a lot happening right now, right? Just sideways motion, consolidation, and waiting for it to do something. So, yes, sure. EOS, and I'm gonna put the list on hold after EOS, right? So we had AVAX. Ooh, I haven't updated it. AVAX 1 and EOS. Awesome. We'll see what time we're there by the time we hit EOS. It'll be pending. I'll still write the request. I'm not sure if I'm going to get through anything after EOS, though. Yes, George Ma. All addresses are unique. Let's go to bat. Oh, that's it for bat. Sorry. We just did bat. Let's go to ICX. What is happening with the ICX, man? What is happening with the ICX? You know, whatever Adam Sandler does. ICX to the dollar, man. Yep. One slip up and you send it to someone else. Can you believe that? Someone else's reacher. Sand is pumping again. Ooh, nice. Let's go to daily. I have 2 ICX. Which one are we gonna look at? Does this one have more stuff? Yeah, I think it's the ICX we've been looking at. Has the least the most recent data, I guess. 86, 84, still coming in lower as we went higher. So that bearish divergence that we were looking for, it's still there, right? It still came to fruition. Now we're moving down again. Consolidation. That's fine. We got to the high, now to the low. Already had changed this, so it's all good. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish, neutral at 58. So again, consolidating still, right, on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. High to low, high to low, high to low. Low to high, negative, low to negative, negative. Nothing here either, man. Low, lower, negative, or negative, lower. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish here on Icon, right? Gonna go to the one. I wish we had something else, right? Head and shoulders, something here, something nothingness. Let's go to the 1 hour and look at this, the sideways motion, right? Again, the consolidation. Low, lower, negative, less negative. All right, we did have some strong bullish divergence here for actually the upside. We didn't get it though. Well, we're getting it, but it's not strong or super strong the way we were expecting it to see some strong bullish divergence to behave. Pumped, and we're doing something low to high negative. Yeah, some hidden bearish. That's why. That is why, my friend. Going down. Again, hidden bearish. Moving down again to the 786, which is acting as support. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Oh, low, negative, more negative, low, low. Nothing. I'm not sure why it's dropping so hard. We could be getting some kind of reaction bounce happening here, right? Neutral 48.20. Yeah, 48.16. That is it, dude. That is it. ICX is what you put on your bruises after you like hit yourself or something. Let's go to VT, man. The vet. What's happening with vet coin? The V chain. Oh, that's not VT, dude. What did I just do? What did I just do, man? There we go. Here's VT. On the daily, what is happening? We're still above that 1618, which is fine. Nothing happening here. Low to high. Oh, we're starting to create some bearish divergence. That's what's happening. I thought we didn't have anything. Well, we just did. We just made something, my friend, and it's bearish divergence, unfortunately. Yeah, no worries, Dan. I mean, sometimes projects don't have a lot of stuff, right? That's why there's so many projects out there. That's why if you're trading, you're looking for a setup, you're looking for different entries. And not just like crypto, right? Stocks and other commodities. I haven't checked out FET yet, dude. It's not on the list. They were asking, dude. Bearish divergence strong, potential fraction to downside. Sorry, I'm late to the game. Oh, that's all good, man. No worries. Again, potential moving down, neutral. Sorry, bought at 63.73. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Again, here we also had a play, right? 1, 2, 3. Called it out here on this day. I remember because we were here live. I said, look, it might start to bounce. And I did 2 plays here. I wrote 2 plays out and I was testing them out. One was my actual entry where I was going to go in and it was here at that 50%. And with that one, I'm good. I haven't exited yet. And I'm still playing the up game, right? The other one that I had was a confirmation level entry, which is when you get in here at the confirmation line. Once you confirm breaking above it, and I move, and on that one, it did trigger an exit because the exit I put around that 50% retrace, right? So again, with this week, it would have exited there, but on my main one that I'm playing, which is my entry, not the textbook entry, I'm still on the play and I'm still running good with it. And that is something that I sent. Yeah. Look, on the 5th in the morning, I sent this play. That's it. My entry, the 504, right? That's the 504 right there. That's my entry. Now it's pattern confirmation entry. It's a little bit higher, right? That confirmation line, right at that line. But my exit here for this stop loss was where my previous entry was, right? So for the pattern, I played it shorter because otherwise, the risk reward wasn't really there. But for me, that's why I entered earlier. I wanted a better risk reward ratio. And I entered here. I'm still in the play. I'm still in the move to the upside. There's still plenty of exits left. And again, I was testing out my writing style for this, so it's pretty good, I guess. And I'm still doing golden. Still doing good with this. Again, above that 618 still. Almost slightly below it right now, but still doing good on VET. Low, high, high to low. We created some bearish divergence here. Strong. And that's why we moved down. But that's fine. We were strong enough to hold through it and push through. Become warriors and doing good, man. It's lost forever. The money that you send to a wrong address is lost forever. And to eons and eons of eternity. You just burned it. I'm kidding. High, higher, positive, positive, high, higher. Neutral 58.53. Low, high. Negative, less, negative, low, high. Nothing else happening. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So VT looking good, man. Crispy, what's up? So again here, still not exited. And again, I have 3 exits, right? Once here, once here. We haven't hit my second exit. And then my third one's here, right? It's all good. We're still doing good here. On the V-chain. On the V-chain. Doing things. There we go. Nothing here. Again, bearish divergence moving down. Low, high, negative. Or negative. Some hidden bullish. Apparently, there's some hidden bullish. I'll check. And I'll tell you guys in a second. And I said, yo, we do have it. Or, nah, we don't have it. If this one's all screwy, did the one on the 4 hour was screwy also? Did I just screw the one on the 4 hour and not anchor it? Yep. I think I caught it right now. Otherwise, it would have been really messed up when I went on the daily and noticed that the line wasn't supposed to be there, right? The line was not supposed to be there. It's bearishness moving down. Here I was looking for some hidden bullish from here to here on the 1 hour chart. There we go. We do have hidden bullish. I knew it. There we go. Hidden bullish action to the upside. Trying to get higher than the previous high. I might be looking to take an exit on the B chain, right? On the play that I had here. I count that we're breaking below the previous, the first entry, right? So what you do is you set up a stop loss. So that would be an 11%. There's no minus there. That is approximation sign, which is like what's above the the tilde thing, that little squiggly line. This one's a minus, this one's approximation. 11% gains. Not bad for a quick setup, right? Took like 2 days, but 11% gains. Guys, if you like what we do, hit them likes and bells and them subs, right? Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me. Let's go to Matic. Yes, 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 Matic. Clifford, thank you for being here, man. Bearish divergence, action downside on Matic. I know I started on the 1 hour. I'll just keep on going here, and then I'll switch off to a daily and then the 4 hour, and then we'll move to something else again. Low, lower, right? Negative, less negative. We're starting to create some bullish divergence strong here on Matic. That's some possibility for action to the upside or reversal. I'm not seeing anything else as far as a pattern right now forming. So I'm going to go here to the daily. Bearish divergence moving down. Do we have something finally? Yes, some hidden bullish. Great. Possibility for stagnation, right? Forgot to look at something on the Discord for that pattern. Yeah. We're bought at 64.01. My nose starting to itch, and it feels like I'm gonna get like a zit or something coming out of this portion of the nose because it hurts when I like rub it or something. So, high to low, high to low, high to low, dude. Low to high, negative plus negative. Nothing happening here, Matic. Again, some consolidation. Again, looking like a triangle, like we said with a couple of the other projects, right? Something like this. All right, and then something like this here on the bottom part. So that's what I'm looking at, right? Some kind of triangle formation for Matic. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, we already did it. So some bullish divergence, strong potential for action to the upside. We'll go with that for now. Let's go to AVAX. AVAX. Oh, we had some kind of hidden. We did go up, hit that 20 and reject it. Interesting. Well, let's check the story in a second. Hidden bullish, try to go up, reject that 50, coming back down again, about the same low. We could be looking at a potential double bottom here formation on this project. We'll leave it here right now on the daily. It wants to, I know why. So I turned that on, so I can freely shift this. There we go. There we go, right? Double bottom formation. Confirmation line, we have not broken it yet. It's up here. Upon confirmation, we're looking at a move of about a 33% rally here, maybe. It's more or less what we're looking for anyways. That's confirmation line. Gonna make it blue. What?
Thanks for Matic, boss man. Where is Seamus tonight? L's in chat for Seamus.
Jesus, dude. Thank you very much, dude. I really appreciate it.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much. We're still a little bit away from Seamus. Not a lot, but a little bit. Look, no BS, right? That is revenue so far. Seamus comes out at 50. That's Seamus' target for leaving his drunken barrel of gold and coming out and play with us. Somewhere on there, that would be our target for confirmation line here. It's around $36. Right now, sitting at 26. Not too bad if I move. I think it's doable if I want to play. But again, still got to break that confirmation, right? Bouncing of that 618, gonna hit that 50% resistance. You're gonna have the 20, then the 382 up here. But again, possibly doable for this, right? Neutral at 46.77. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Low, high, negative, more negative. High to low, high to low, high to low to high. Interesting. Hidden bearish action downside. Interesting. Interesting, sir. neutral at 50.36. Yeah, and that hidden divergence, action to downside, putting that pressure on the price. Heading for that 20, very close to it. That's okay. Again, tightening it within the range, right? Between that 618 and that 50% retrace. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yo, what? Right on. I was trying to check the chat, but I think there's a lot of stuff going on right now. I'm not able to follow. So, something about an address being gone. So I'm assuming someone did something off and lost some crypto. Yeah, and be careful, guys, right? When you're sending crypto. Sure have you got the right addresses, the right everything. There's no customer service to call for claims of, oh, sir, I screwed up my transaction. Can you believe that? Bearish divergence strong, very slight, but it's there, and that is what's causing us to go down on the flames. I just went down a little bit. It's fine. Wondering if we have hidden bullish though. That's what I'm gonna look for in a second, man. Shameless Seamus.
Let Shameless Seamus out of his cage.
All right. Thank you, Jeffrey. I appreciate that, man. Seamus is out, and to you, my friend, I would say,
Audience, say it with me.
legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much. There's Seamus. There with his weird out, drunkety face. Here he is, doing awesome. Thank you very much, man. The Seamus call, Shamrock beer, Shamrock. I know. Clover or whatever. Ooh, strong bullish here on this little bit of AVAX. Actually, the upside potentially coming in. Ooh, I like that. We don't have it against the RSI. Just needs some MACD. Yeah, dude. Low high anywhere near. Also some hidden bullish. All right. Against the... that's why we got this first rally, right? That one that hit the 20 moving average and rejected because of the hidden bullish. All right. Now we have some strong bullish. That could try to get us to go above that 20 again. Well, let's see if that's going to be the move, right? Getting above the 20 would be good. I'm not seeing anything else here as a pattern, though. Right now. What? Something's gonna come with me in a second.
I'm so fucking tired of all this sideways BTC action. Martin.
I know. Flax, thank you very much for the donation, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is, Flax. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I know, dude. I know. It is boring when the market moves sideways. You're sure at 47.15. We know we can stay up to like more than 4 months on sideways motion. 3 months sideways motion is nothing, dude. 90 days of moving sideways. It wouldn't be weird. We've seen it before. It'll suck. I don't think we're gonna move sideways for 3 months though. But let's hope we're ready to move. Again, bullish divergence, potential fraction down. So maybe looking like a double bottom here. Slightly here we had double bottom, we moved up. I'm gonna measure real quick, see how high we went. Yeah, not even 10%, that's fine. So here again, maybe making that double bottom, right? Not yet formed, but potentially. Potentially here. Double bottom with strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. Confirmation line would be here. I'm gonna be waiting on the before I actually trace and place the move that we should be making until we actually confirm that we got that double bottom. But that's it, dude. Let's go to one. There can be only one, right? Highlander was a good show, man. Not sure why they stopped making it. It was also a good movie, though. They should remake a Highlander show. Like, the old one had, like, horrible graphics. Yeah, I remember that. But It's funny when they chopped off the people's heads and you know, the lightning came through and stuff. They could make it so much better with the CGI today. I would really love to see a new Highlander. Strong bearish moving down, right? We were up here when we had it. Start pull back down below the 3618. That's fine. I'm trying to find support at the previous all-time high for this here. Right, so this high that we had, we're using as support right now. So we have two fibs, right? Low to high, and then the extended fibs. So because we have decide to go higher, we have targets. Strong bearish divergence. Neutral. Bought at 62.57. Let's go to the 4 hour. Am I a fan of Mortal Kombat? Well, yeah, I haven't seen it in a while, but why? Haven't played the new one. I know they had a lot of stuff. Low to high, negative, more negative. We have some divergence. And from here to here. Neutral 50.18, man. Remind you of one with Jet Li. Yo, for reals. You're excited for the new movie? No, I didn't know there was gonna be a new movie. I only seen the first one and the second one. The first one was okay, the second one sucked. The first one actually kind of sucks, but you know, considering what they had back then to do, it was okay, I guess. Ooh, there is gonna be a new movie. Interesting. Ooh, it looks good. It don't look that bad. Interesting. I'll check it out. I'll consider it. If you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on Discord, right? Watch the trailer? I will. I left it open on the side tab so I can watch it later. Harmony, again, hidden bullish. Potential fraction to the upside. Let's go here. High to low, high to low, high to low. Low, lower, negative, less negative. You're right. Look, from here to here, we're creating strong bullish. Play to that so slightly, we don't have anything bearish, which is what? We're still coming lower now from one island to the next. They're gonna tell me that they're gonna make a new Highlander movie, and I was like, oh, hell yeah, man. Again, strong bullish, action to the upside. That's what we are looking for. Against MACD, not against RSI, right? Not seeing anything else, dude. Yet. Let's go to EOS. EOS. What is up with EOS? It's gonna be high. Yo, for reals. Yield twin brother. Of doom. Let's go daily. Right on. Coming up higher, higher, and higher. Lower, 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 low, high. Alright, some hidden bullish, like a lot of projects had. And this is not the chart we're looking at, but here it is. That's why I was like, I feel like we should have already had this. Anyways, here we go. We're getting up on the above that 50% retrace, which is fine. Might want to head to at 382, which is fine. We're going to have the 20s resistance at $4.08 right now, sitting at $3.86. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, hidden bearish, putting that pressure down. Sideways motion, not really getting a lot happening here. Some hidden bullish still at play. But again, you know, so far what we were expecting to see is more or less there, right? Sideways motion, stagnation. That's when we looked at it last. That's what we're getting. So again, you know, sometimes we don't have to have something. We're just waiting for something to develop or something to happen. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands. Look at how tight they're getting. We might get an explosive move. That is it. Neutral at 59.62. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Not seeing anything here that is bearish or bullish. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high. Still, right now, bought at 62.14. Let's see, we have something, dude. 1, 2, 1. No, this is not 1 because we're higher in this valley. So 1, 2, 3, maybe. Right, we could be in for a 3 rising valley pattern. A little bit tight on the end because the PNL is going to be very tight here, but I didn't want to do that. I want to do this instead. So the 50 would be our end, maybe. For and out here, and a low. I need to find a low, dude. Let's go low to high here on the pattern. And some fibs, low to high. It's gonna get a little bit a lot of fibs here, but ooh, that drop would have to be here, and that's gonna screw up the PNL. All right, so here right now we're looking at a 1.2 reward ratio. Right now, first target would net you 2.17% to the upside, which is not really hot when you're looking for an in, right? Second target 4.11, so we're not really looking at a lot of profit on this one. Could be a play for someone that wants to put a lot of money and get that 2%. That could imply that this is going to be a big move for them. But for the average Joe that's going to put a little bit of money in it, a 2% is not going to be a big chunk of dough to risk on this project. And we still haven't broken confirmation line. Confirmation line would be up here, right? So this would be our confirmation line, $3.90. That's where I would be placing confirmation line at. Now, if you go for this pattern tends to break. If we break confirmation, it tends to hit 44% return in investment. I think it was like 70 or 80% of the time, which is a really good. No, sorry. Yeah, 38% of the time, I think. So it's a really, really high chance of playing it. No, 58% of the time. So, yeah. Jeffrey just drew up all over the chat. I know. Anyways. Again, I'll be looking for potential in if the submit can play. For me, the percentage gains is not there, right? It's a small gains, 2.20. I'll be looking for something better to put my money in, but 1, 2, 3 again, right? That's what we 1, 2. Some people even might say that 1 is back here. 1, 2, 3. And pattern probably already played. It could be, right? Like we had with VT that was back here. And this would have been the third one. But right now, short term, we could also say 1, 2, and 3, and we could be getting in for a smaller move still. So again, not really liking the how it's playing for EOS. It's gonna be there. We're gonna leave it there, but we'll see, right? That's it. We run through everything so far. I'm gonna look at the chat real quick just to see what's happening, but gotta figure it out, man. Gotta figure it out, man. Someone said earlier do Canadian Bitcoin for fun, so I'll do Canadian Bitcoin because we haven't done it yet. Canadian Bitcoin 63.35. All right, let's go. Canadian Bitcoin, broke when a small term bearish trend. Low, lower, negative, less negative, some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Yay, pumping on that. Canadian Bitcoin had bullish divergence. Strong bullish, right? Action to the upside. Moving up. Had a low, positive, more positive. Some hidden bearish, right? Putting some pressure on that price again to go down and down up to oblivion. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD, and we're getting that move down. Low, high. Nothing else happening. Bought at 61.35. That's it for Canadian Bitcoin. Again, it's not doing a lot. It's gonna follow US Bitcoin, right? We know that. David, what's up? Being here, man. What did VeChain? I'm gonna go back to it. I'm gonna recap. We have recaps still to do, right? Someone said Mana, VeChain, the Bitcoin, right? The regular Bitcoin. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing here. Ooh, double topping? Almost here. Interesting. slightly lower, but it could be looking like a double top, right? It could be a double top, just we don't have any kind of divergence, right? I'm gonna go with this right now. Idea. We could say we're moving sideways. It's very close in the price to go sideways, and we could say going high to low. And we would say medium bearish divergence, right? Then selection to downside. Confirmation line would be here for a break. Alrighty, let's go here, man. And then they move down, net it at around 15%, I think, to the downside. That's what we're looking for. So around 15%. Let's go here. There we go. That is it. That would be the move on Canadian Bitcoin if it ever breaks that confirmation line, which I don't think it's going to break it right now. So, bought at, sorry, neutral at 56.86. It's on the daily. On the daily, it's fine. We don't have anything. Let's go to regular Bitcoin again. So much stash. Interesting. Bitcoin pesos is a big number. Yeah, here we don't have that double top, right? At least not as clean. Still looking okay, still bouncing out the 20. On the 4 hour again, we're still doing good. Sideways motion between the ranges that we called for, pushing back up slightly, and that's good again. All right, double bottom in again, holding on to that support. Bitcoin holding on support. So if we can get above that 20 and still punch a little bit higher, right? That's what we're looking for. Sideways. I'm not gonna, no divergence. Bitcoin recap. Let's go to Mana. Mana. Mana at 44.62. Again, bearish divergence. Oh no. It just changed candles. Still there. Remember we said it might not play out. Still going higher. Still don't care about the divergence. Might get action to downside again. That's a possibility, right? I mean, it could still go on higher. If you're worried about your position, set up stop loss. Doesn't have anything going on. Bearish divergence. Not really caring much about it. It's bought at 69.65. 4 hour. Again, bearish divergence. On the 1 hour, we also have bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence in all three cases. That's why I said if you're worried about your position, set up a stop loss. I do believe it's still bullish enough to try to go higher. It looks like it's bullish enough to try to go higher. That's it. Let's go to V-change. I haven't. Fortuna. Why am I a legend? Thank you, man. Why am I a legend? I'm not Will Smith. Again, bearish divergence, extra downside, hidden bullish, sideways motion. All good there, man. I'm here every day. I just took off yesterday. I was just feeling like, yeah. Feeling good today, though, right? The 4 hour, man. The 4 hour again. The play that we're looking for coming to fruition. With good returns, man. With good returns, man. My TA, fastest passes. Oh, thank you, Fortuna. I appreciate that. It's a kind comment.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I know. I'll be looking to schedule some days off in the future. I do feel a lot better today, though. I feel like recharged. Like I have more energy. So that's good, I guess. Alright. We'll see, man. Sure, bro.
If you're still up for another coin, could you look at CRX?
Yeah, for sure, man. No worries.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Dan. Thank you very much for
Thank you
that.
very much.
So yeah, we'll do ZRX. The ZRX might give you blindness and bad side effects. It's just the coin that sounds like it's a coin that sounds like what are we gonna call it? I went to the doctor today. He told me, here, take some CRX. CRX not for everyone. CRX may give you some bowel discomforts. Crazy vomit. Insane amounts of something coming out of your something. Bleeding and even death. It may cause poorness, brokenness, getting wrecked. Right. It's just a weird. Snap. Here we go, man. We're doing TRX right now. I know I started in the 4 hour. And I'm here. I'll roll with it. I'll roll with the punches. Here we go. Some bearish divergence, strong action downside. We're down slightly, low to high. Would actually have some negative, less negative. All right, so nothing bullish. Trying to hold on to continuation here. That's fine. Let's go to daily real quick. See what we had. Again, we still have this hidden bullish here. All right. Action to the upside slightly. You're rejecting the 20, rejecting it again. Still in that range. 236, 382, right? So it's fine. Really, sideways motion, like we said, it's okay. All the markets with that. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish after that. Here, same thing. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. Ooh, this would have been okay, I guess, for an in. Not looking like the best 3 rising valleys, but we could have gone for a 3 rising valley formation. Had to set that stop loss very far down, though, right? It does have some strong bearish divergence now. From here to here, that would be 1, and then from here to here, right? Strong bearish potential fraction to the downside here on the ZRX. Neutral AF, it's 7.94, man. I think that's it for this, man. Going down, hitting that 20, finding support, not seeing anything else. Everything else looks okay here. Maybe from back here we could say some hidden bullish. And that's why we got the rally. But again, that already played, right? That already played. We're getting that moving down. So again, no point in, and sometimes there's no point in me like talking about the history. I mean, it's there. But you know, and then again, getting a bounce. Yo, no worries, Dan. Thank you very much for being here, man. I really appreciate it. And thank you very much for the donation.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bring fastest. Picked up another 45k bag of DBT. Ooh. Interesting. Fortuna, why do it like that? Why do what like what? We hit 100. Oh, that's so cool. There we go. Hype. Hype. Oh, for me, it just says 91 likes. Interesting. Maybe you guys have different data. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. My nose hurts. This is like the most random comment. Oh, my nose hurts, by the way. Oh, we're like 9 people away from 3,400. Are we going to get it? Are you here? If you're here and you haven't yet do that, please hit that sub. We're like 9 people away. Yeah, DBT dumped the other day. I know. It kind of sucks how it dumped, dude. I'm not happy with it. Yeah, 8 more for 100. Oh, Soka said, and we hit 100. All right, it was 2 separate. 10 more likes, guys. And then he said, and we hit 100. So it was 2 lines. I was like, oh, and we hit 100. All right, awesome. We hit 100. I pre-hyped the horn. Now, I guess now we have to get to 100. Jesus. 6 more. I mean, the horn has been hyped, so... Ooh. I got one of Seamus's locks of hair on my shirt. Nice. Seamus's hair. Ooh, that hair took that. Interesting. Ja, what's up, dude? I was like 90. Awesome, dude. I'm just chilling now. I just run through everything mostly that I was going to do today, so it's just a chill part of the stream, dude. Thank you for being here, though. I really appreciate it, man. Ja hype. There we go. The horn for jaw. We're like at 99 people. I don't think we're gonna get 3,400 subs today. But we're close. Tomorrow we just gotta bring in 9 subs and we're golden, man. We're golden. Instead of crypto, Discord DM. Alright. Thank you, Jake, for Discord DM. What? Alright. Jake wants me to show something. Info Hyperjump 5. Ooh, I like it. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be looking at here. Ooh, Binance Wrap has a liquidity pool of $7 million. $7.5 million. Volume in the last 24 hours, 5 million. Interesting. It's actually number 1 on top tokens. Here, it said Theta Crypto, DBT, look at this. Interesting. So it's taking up the stats. Nice, dude. Look at this. Plus, you can also farm it. I'm not sure what their yield right now is for farming, but it's good. And something else. I shoot a referral link for browser. Maybe. Yeah, I should. I should start doing referrals. Fuck yeah. I need to do that, man. I started getting referrals for a lot of stuff and push referral links, I guess. A lot of people do referral links. So we'll see, man. Volume. Ooh, volume is almost there. Interesting. BNV DVT 30,110. I'm not sure what I'm looking at here. Is it like the price? This is awkward. TBT, Binance, less than 0.0001. Alright. Yeah, that's fair. Nice. I'm not sure if the false flags is laughing in Spanish or if he's saying ja 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 ja. Something like that. Kermit says this. Everyone should use Brave. Jake says DeFi confusing. DVT pool. 29% right now. Interesting. It was like 1,000 plus earlier. Why, DVT? Are you not pumping? You should pump. Brave is great. It is great, AD. Thank you very much for being here, man. I do use Brave, actually, by the way. It's a browser that I use everything in. If I go here, it's a new tab. Look at that. Ooh, Brave, man. It's a Brave new tab. Chocobo Coco. Build something interesting. I left and came back just done watching Coming to America. Such racial. It's okay. I told you it wasn't the best movie. I tried to pump, but there's a bot fighting me down. Yeah. Yeah, maybe, Jake, maybe. I know. The weight is killing me, though. It is killing me. All these cryptos on Coinbase and their dollar are going to explode. I know. Everything's gonna explode someday. Eventually. It's really fast compared to Chrome. I know. It does block a lot of stuff, dude. It does block a lot of stuff. I like it better than Firefox and the other ones. So it's good. I'm addicted to paint. Remember when we started the stream and paint wasn't that high? Look at paint right now. Paint's at $1,700 for the paint. Jake, go claim your paint, man. I know you did Rarible. So if you go to this website, mural.art, you'll get some paint tokens, bro. Just sign in with your what is it, MetaMask, and then claim it. And you're gonna get free money, Jake. You might be able to buy a PC with that, or parts, or more mining rig pieces. If anyone did anything there, just do that. That's Flag's paint. I know. Flags pointed me to it, and now I have paint. And I'm happy because it's worth something. Flags has all the paints. I know. He was first claim. Got a lot of dough, man. May says, Jake, go to bed. Yeah. What link? Oh, dude. Check your Discord. Or check Discord. Oh, Jake does have art on Rarible. He should be eligible to claim. So we're 4 likes away. Let's keep rolling, man. Let's go back to the corn. Let's go back to the corn, man. For some reason, we just left it up here on CRX. It causes anxiety to people. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's bouncing. It's going for that 20. Great. It's doing good, man. What about Ethereum also still at 1% up. Yay, Ethereum. It bounced where we were expecting it to bounce. Remember, look at the 4 hour. Oh, it bounced at the target. Yay. Yay. We did it. Now we're going for that. We might be going for this mesh move here, 2,900. On this head and shoulders here. This minor head and shoulders. Again, we could say this shoulder. Oh, I moved something I didn't want to move. This could be one shoulder, right? I just had it here when we were doing it. I wasn't here the other day, so it's all good. Now this minor head and shoulders playing to the upside still. So all good, man. All good. Look, Jake, I'll walk you through, man. I'll walk you through, man, because I want you to get that. Sign in with your wallet, right? Once you sign in with your wallet, you go here under your user. You'll have this, what's it, claim, right? And you click it, and then it says claim your paint tokens, and you just check. For me, it already says I have nothing to claim, but you might be able to get some, dude. You don't have Ethereum for the TX fees? Oh, dude. Get some, dude, because it's free right now, and what I got, or what they gave me for the NFTs that I have, it's $1,000 worth of paint. So that's pretty good, man. Oh, you get more paint than I did. I got 1.1 million, right? 1,048,000. You're gonna get more paint. It's gonna be worth more, man. Right? Yeah. It's worth getting, man. All right. That's it, dudes. I think we're not doing a lot more. So, Jake was able to get it. Someone retracted their like. That kind of sucks. We're at like 99 likes. Now we're at 98 likes. Someone might have not liked it. Or unliked. Interesting. Link rocking. Interesting. We haven't looked at Link. I do hold some Link. I'm just going to look at it real quick because I want to see where it's at. Yeah, not because it was a request, but... Oh, dude, where's the link at? I'm just gonna look at the price. 29. Still below the... 786? Yeah, still below at 786. We're still on a move, maybe, to get there. Triple bottom, double bottom. I'm not sure if it's gonna play, man. Not looking too good for Link, though, right? Some consolidations upsloping. Could break down from that, right? Ooh, 104 likes. We got it. We got it, man. 104 likes. See, we got like, what was it? 6 more likes for one unliked that we got. Someone disliked, so it's all good. Let's check the subs. See if we got close to 3,400, but we didn't. Haven't crossed the mark yet. It's all good. Yeah, I said we chilled for a little bit. We talked for a little bit. Did not hit the like button twice. Yeah, I know. Hit it so hard that you'll keep on liking the next couple of videos. I'm just kidding. John says a dab, man. Yeah, dab, man. Why not? It is good, my friend. This is it. This is it. Let's get it for tonight, guys. It's 11:40. Still a good time to call the stream. I'll be here tomorrow again, so don't worry about that. So again, guys, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, sub. Join us on the Discord. Links pinned at the top of the chat. You can also join our Patreon if you want, and you can join our. You can buy merch from our shop. That's cool stuff. Now, remember, all the information that we produce here is for entertainment and education purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. It's all not financial advice. And if you like what we do, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is Theta Crypto again. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on an awesome Sunday night. And with that, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Theta Crypto. Until then, thank you all for coming in, by the way. Thank you all for donating and liking and subbing and everyone that did the awesome things that y'all do. Thank you, and thank you for your time.